Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tag Botany. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos from my channel. Friends, in this video we will learn the family Malvaceae, commonly known as mallow family or cotton family. First of all, we will study classification of Malvaceae according to Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Division Phanerogams, subdivision Angiospermy, class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, order Malvaceae and family Malvaceae. Geographical distribution of family Malvaceae. About 85 genera and 1500 species are found worldwide. In India, 22 genera and 125 species have been reported so far. Members of this family are distributed in tropical and temperate regions of the world. Main genera belonging to this family are Hibiscus with 200 species, Sida with 250 species, Pahonia 164, Abutilon 100, Alsia 60, Gossypium that is cotton 50 species, Malva 30 species, Levatera 25 species and Althea 12 species. General habit of the family: mostly annual herbs, for example Malva, or perennial herbs like Levatera. There are also shrubs in this family like hibiscus and cotton that is Gossypium. Rarely there are trees like Thespecia and Kidia. Root is taproot and profusely branched. Stem is aerial, erect, branched, sturdy that is strong and well built, covered with stellate trichomes or hairs. Stem is covered with stellate trichomes. Normally, the younger portions of the stem are covered with these stellate trichomes or hairs. So this is a single hair or trichome that is stellate, that means star shaped. Decumbent stem is found in Malva rotundifolia. Decumbent means initially the stem grows parallel to the ground and suddenly it grows upwards, that is decumbent nature of the stem. Leaves are simple in hibiscus, palmately lobed and veined in abutilon. This is palmately lobed and even the venation is also palmate. Phyllotaxy is alternate, that means single node is having single leaf. Stipulate leaves are having stipules at the base or at the base of petiole. Leaves are petiolate, means having stalk. The shape of the leaf may be ovate in case of hibiscus, cordate in case of abutilon, and reniform in case of this malva. Margin of the leaf is toothed, having teeth, or it may be entire, that means smooth margin. Reticulate, multicostate, divergent venation. So multicostate and divergent venation means the veins are many and which are all prominent one and which diverge from each other. Inflorescence is usually cymose inflorescence, flowers solitary, axillary in Hibiscus rosa sinensis. So in the axil of the leaf one or single flower arises. Raceme inflorescence is found in Althea rosea. Flower is bracteate, bracteolate. Bracteoles form apicalyx. This is the apicalyx. Flower is complete, that means all the four floral whorls, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are present. Bisexual means both the male and female reproductive organs are present. Actinomorphic, that means regular symmetry. Hypogynous, ovary superior, and pentamerous. Rarely flowers are unisexual. And dioecious in Napia dioica, that means male flower and female flowers are found on separate individuals. Then apicalyx. Several bracteoles form a calyx-like whorl called as apicalyx. Apicalyx has 3 bracteoles in Malvastrum tricuspidatum and Malva. In Malvastrum tricuspid atom, and in Malva, apicalyx has 3 bracteoles. 5 to 9 fused bracteoles are present in Althea rosea. Several bracteoles in Hibiscus radiatus. Bracteoles absent from Abutilon and Sida. In Abutilon, this is the flower of Abutilon, this apicalyx is absent. Then calyx sepals are 3 to 5, but usually sepals are found 5 in number. Sepals are free or basally connate, having valvate estivation. Sepals are tubular, that means they form tube-like structure in Hibiscus. Corolla petals are 5, free but basally adnate to the staminal column. So here you can see petals are adnate or fused to the staminal column. Usually twisted estivation. So here you can see clearly the twisted estivation in petals. Showy and variously colored. Androecium, numerous stamens, that means stamens are uncountable, indefinite, infinite. Monadelphous means all the stamens are tied into single bundle. Anthers one-celled or monothecous. Anthers are reniform, that means kidney-like shape. Extrorse means anthers are facing towards outside. Dehiscence of the anther is longitudinal. Filaments of anthers fuse to form a staminal column around the ovary. So all the filaments they fuse and they are forming a staminal column around ovary. Gynoecium, a compound pistil of one to many carpels, often pentacarpellary and syncarpous. Carpels are 5 and they are fused. Ovary superior 2 to 5 or more locules, 1 to numerous ovules in each locule. Exile placentation. So here you can see this is the TS of ovary of okra or lady's finger. So here the ovules are arising from the axis of the ovary, that is exile placentation. Style 1 and branched above. Stigmas as many or twice as many as carpels. Stigma shape is discoid or capitate, cap-like or disc-like. Fruit is usually a capsule in Gossypium, in okra, in hibiscus, or indehiscent schizocar fruit is found in malva, or rarely a berry type of fruit is found in malva viscus, that is Mexican apple. General floral formula of family Malvaceae: bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual. Epic means apicalyx, 3 to 9 free or 3 to 9 fused. Calyx sepals are 5 gamosepalous. Corolla petals are 5 polypetalous or gamopetalous. Androecium stamens are infinite and they are attached to the petals, that is staminal column attached to the petals. Gynoecium 2 to 5 bicarpellary to pentacarpellary superior ovary or 1 to infinite superior ovary. Let us study the floral diagram of family Malvaceae. Hibiscus, this is the floral diagram of hibiscus and this is the floral diagram of Abutilon. So here in hibiscus there are apicalyx are present, 5 to 8 apicalyx members are shown here. Then gamosepalous calyx is present and gamopetalous corolla, inside which the stamens are infinite and monadelphous, and in the center exile placentation. This is the mother axis. So here in Abutilon there are no apicalyx, only bract is present. This is the bract of the flower shown here. Then gamosepalous nature of the calyx, gamopetalous corolla and monadelphous stamens and exile placentation. This is mother axis. Key characters, diagnostic characters or distinguishing characters of the family Malvaceae: herbs or shrubs, frequently with stellate trichomes, calyx often with apicalyx, monadelphous stamens, anthers monothecous, carpels 5 or more. Economic importance of the family Malvaceae. Cotton. It is the most important product of this family. It is manufactured from the dense mass of long hairs attached to the seeds of several species of Gossypium, like Gossypium barbadense, Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, and Gossypium herbaceum. So these are the cotton yielding species. Then other fibers include hems, which are the bast fibers that is obtained from the phloem fibers of the stem. Hibiscus cannabinus is the example, which is commonly called as Deccan hemp. That fibers are used to make cords and ropes. Oils, cotton seed oil, which is the edible and also used for the manufacture of soaps, lubricants, etc. It is obtained from the seeds of Gossypium. The oil cake is an excellent cattle feed. This is the cotton seed oil. These are the cotton seeds, cotton seed oil, and this is oil cake. Ornamental plants of this family include Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is China rose, Hibiscus mutabilis, that is cotton rose, and hollyhock, that is Alsia rosea. Thank you very much.